Hello everyone, today I'm going to present on our product Writio, and this whole idea came when we founders, still undergraduate students, were on our exchange at Yale doing our research papers and essays. And there was one night when we were all cramming our deadlines that we figured out that all three of us share the same problems. The first problem is that we open too many Chrome tabs when we do our research. And after that, we need to copy and paste relevant information into this 30-page long research document. And after that, we have to write an essay structure and then copy and paste the relevant evidences back to these points to support our points. And finally, when we have our different paragraphs, it's really difficult to track different sources and make citations. So after all of this kind of discussion, we figured out that we should do a UI research. So we recorded students on how they actually write essays and broke down the time that they spend on each of the process. And we figured out that 37% of the time wasted is on these troublesome logistics. After that, we figured out that the potential size of Writio is actually pretty big. Out of the 600 million college and high school students in the world, 40% of the students who have the technological capability, and 82% of the students who study majors that require considerable essay writing. And after our market research, we found out that 60% of these students actually share all these three pain points. If from these 122 million students, we have half of the students who are willing to pay $2 for our product, this is a multi-billion-dollar idea. So what does Writio do? It solves 4 different points in our research process. Firstly, explore and research. Second, highlight and clip, organize and outline, and finally, write and publish. We also found out that for the existing products, there's still a gap in what students do in their essay writing process. For example, although different products target specific processes, there's no one single product that can solve the beginning to the end. So what does our product do? Firstly, we have a Chrome extension where students can easily highlight based on the colors and add tags to their new essay projects. And after that, when they open the desktop application, it automatically saves all the highlights, and they can press the cards to view all the research of the whole essay. And people usually start with writing the structure out, and one good part of this is that it automatically generates the structure based on the header styles that people set, which is actually pretty useful when you organize different evidences. So after you have the structure, you can easily drag different highlights based on your tags, colors, keywords into the essay content or to the structure on the left. Then you finally write your paragraphs, and finally your essay is done, and don't forget the citations. So this seems to be just an essay writing tool on the surface, but what its value is actually on the citation database and highlight database. Imagine that we have collected all the information of what people cite and what people highlight. You can actually automatically generate the formatted citations from previous users and search what people highlighted based on an essay topic. Imagine that you have an essay topic, and you can search on our online database, and you can see what other students have already researched, sourced, highlighted based on the very same essay topic. And when you click into different websites, it also shows what people highlight in specific paragraphs to see where the main points are. For our business model, we understand that not that many students are willing to pay, so we have a freemium and premium model. For the freemium model, it has different basic functions such as highlights, tags, clipping, etc. But then for the premium model, it has a citation function, highlight database, and the option for students to privatize highlights. So why would people buy the premium model? It's because from our calculations, it can actually save the double amount of time compared to the freemium model based on the additional functions of citations, research, looking at what people look at. And this is our forecasted geographical revenue of Writio and our plan for expansion, because in the beginning, we feel that the US market is what we target, such as the liberal arts college students or people who have core curriculums and write a lot of essays. Then we can expand to Europe and globally. This is our team, and we have different people majoring in business, econ, English, computer science, engineering, and I'm also interested in design. And although today we're presenting a brand new product that revolutionizes the way students write essays, But then in the end, in the long term, we hope that this could extend to other professions and industries so that we can understand how humans research and communicate.